Hello, grade 8. How are you all? Today we are going to discuss about exercise 2.2. Question number 3 is here. We already had done question number 1 and 2. These are the statement sum as I already discussed with you in the previous session. So let's start with the question number 3. This is also a statement sum. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 upon 3 centimeters. See beta, isosceles triangle you know very well, whose two sides are equal to each other. So any two sides. So let's start. We don't know about the two sides, but we are going to take it as x. So if one side is equal to x, other is also equal to x. The base, see, this is the base of a triangle and the base of triangle is 4 upon 3 centimeters. Okay. Its perimeter of a triangle is 4 2 by 15 centimeter. See, perimeter is given to you of this triangle. You have to find the sides of the triangle. You just have to find the simple one side of the triangle. Other one is same because this triangle is an isosceles triangle. So let's start the solution. That's it. So let the length of side be x. We don't know about the side of the triangle. So we are going to take it as x. Perimeter is equals to, what is the perimeter of triangle? Sum of all the sides of the triangle. So that's why we are going to add all the sides of the triangle and it will become equal to perimeter of a triangle. So what is perimeter of triangle? Already given to you, 4 2 by 15 is equals to 4 by 3 plus x plus x. Now, you know very well this friction value, how you can solve. So 15 multiplied 4 plus 2 gives you 62 upon 15 is equals to 4 upon 3 plus x gives you 2x. Okay, so I'm just going to solve this. Kindly have a look on this, how I'm going to solve. Hopefully you got that, how to make this condition. 62 by 15 is equals to 4 upon 3 plus 2x. Now it's very easy. You have to eliminate this 4 upon 3 from this side. So what we have to do, subtraction 4 upon 3 from both sides. 62 upon 15 minus 4 upon 3 is equals to 4 upon 3 plus 2x minus 4 upon 3. This 4 upon 3 and minus 4 upon 3, they are cancelled with each other. So you're left with 62 upon 15 minus 4 upon 3 is equals to 2x. Now take LCM. After taking LCM, you are left with 42 upon 15 is equals to 2x. Okay. So next one is do cross multiplication. 42 multiply 1 is equals to 2x into 15. 42 into 1, 42. 2x into 15 gives you 30x. Now you have to eliminate this 30. So what we have to do? Divide both sides by 30. 42 divided by 30 is equals to 30x divided by 30. This 30 cancel. Cancel out these numbers also. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 15, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21. 7 upon 5 is equals to x. This means your x is equals to 7 upon 5 centimeter. So this is your answer. That's it. 7 upon 5. Okay. So if one side is 7 by 5 centimeter, then obvious other one is also 7 by 5. Now let's go with the question number 4. Sum of two numbers is 95. Two numbers is 95. If one exceed by other by 15, find the number. See, addition of two numbers is given to you, that is equals to 95. So we don't know about the numbers, so we have to consider first. Let the first number be x, second number be x plus 15. See, why we are going to add this 15 here? Because they are asking if one number is there and other is exceeded by 15. So that's why we are going to add here 15. Now sum of two numbers 95 is equals to, so you have to add these numbers now. X plus 15. 95 is equals to x plus x. 2x is equals to 15. Now I'm going to solve this. What was the equation? 95 is equals to 2x plus 15. Now we want to eliminate this 15. What we have to do? Subtraction. Both side by 15. 95 minus 15 is equals to 2x plus 15 minus 15. These are cancel out. 95 minus 15, 0, 8 is equals to 2x. Now we want to eliminate this 2. We have to divide both side by 2. This 2 cancel out. X is equals to 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 40 is your answer. And other number is x plus 15. So it will become 55. So this is your question number 4. Hopefully you got the way how to solve these type of the question. These are the statement sum. You have to drive the equation first, then you have to solve the value the equation for value of x. Thank you.